You subscribe yet?
No, go on, man. I have to find the money, I know an idea. I have to find the money. I can call sister. We don't have a weed there, so can't smoke and no vibe.
Hi, big bro.
What go on, sis?
How are you?
I'm there and I give them a try. One little vibe because, you know, there in a place I go and, I go and do a thing, but you know, so Jamaica rough. You know, enough things are going on, I just can't understand why and I'm something, you know. But I don't know how you stay financially because, I don't want to borrow, like, you can send $100 or $150 come give me an idea. Because, listen.
I would love to send you the money.
But what?
Over here is rough as well.
What do you mean over there rough as well? I'm fine you there. America there, the land of the free.
Bro, I know. I have house rent. I have light bill. I have water bill. I have all the bills.
Who we are talking to?
Right now at
Sister,
home.
I talk to.
Marika! Sis!
What, I don't know why every time I talk to her, she just jump in and she not understand. Yo, take your phone, man, and talk to her, man.
Sister!
How are you? Who is Jamaica?
I am pharmacist when it coming to Jamaica, yeah?
I would love to come to Jamaica, but the plane fare is a lot, man.
Oh
I don't
my.
know. And I have a lot of bills over here.
So hold on, sister. If things are rough for you, I'm making you come back to Jamaica. Come back to your yard. You're going to talk to her.
No, bro, I'm not coming back to Jamaica. Even though in Jamaica you get a lot of stuff free. Like you can get breadfruit, you can get banana, you can get all those stuff. Over here you have to buy everything.
And that's why if you come back to Jamaica, sis, so you can eat up the good food, them. Kind of like you all suffer out there and we there, so Jamaica suffer. You can't even send $100. Lord God, my brother just a suffer, yeah, man.
Oh my God, I'm sorry to hear that. Oh boy. Right now I'm at work. You're lucky you called me at my lunchtime.
So no work you there. So how much money you spend for like your rent and so forth?
My rent is for $1,500 a month.
Is it 15 bills right now? 15 bills. If you work out in Jamaica, that is approximately 220,000 Jamaican dollars. That
you see?
I will need 100,000 for nice for the whole month, It just depends on if, because she normally buy falls here and sitting for 40,000, but you know, if a second now you can't. Sis, come on Jamaica, man.
Sis, you
Come
need to
back to your
come,
yard.
man. You need to come, man. You need to come to Jamaica, yeah?
Nobody tongue you can your sound good pan for you. You know what your tongue? Where your tongue from?
Guys, I'm sorry, but I have to get off the phone now. I'm at work, so when I reach home, I will call you guys back. But I will
Is there nobody call back?
about it, but I'm not coming back to Jamaica.
Sis, me and my brother are gonna deal with something right now, so we call her back here. Okay?
Okay, guys. Love you guys. Bye.
Okay. Love ya. Never fail ya.
Yo, how is it that you go there foreign and broke and you say, and you work? That don't make no sense.
True, you know?
You down there foreign and broke?
No, you must be mad.
But me wonder why them keep on say things rough, and I want come back to your backside yard.
What barrel you get if I did me there
I tell you,
foreign?
man.
You come nice, what barrel would I get? Me can't
Hundreds
believe
of thousands and send down here. Not true? Not true?
What I mean?
Let me say, man. But
Yeah,
one thing me I say still, yo, this sister, he sound like he must suffer over there. We have to help him out some way, somehow, to come back in yard. Because basically, it don't make no sense for here say one day something gonna happen to him and you know nobody over there if you can help him. If my suffer in the way how I explain to we. Eh?
True, cause not even $100 to say alright then. Let me send my brother 100 and send my sister 100. Nothing at all, we just there.
Here I go and I tell you for now. You see money my borrow from you can't get it right now. You know it come for right now. You can't get it till Saturday. You understand me? I say nobody come bad me up, me not talking, no argument, me not cussing with you right now. Me not have it yet, that's why I call sister. And sister normally help me out once in a blue moon, but me not, don't look for me, so.
Let me ask you one question. So you give her that there for free now? And sell it.
The girl them right now, they on the money, them broke.
So my customer them now, if you give me money and me take your mind you. You have to sell it. Oh, Tada. Anyways, you see true you are my brother. And I love you. Anything you want, that's fine by me. But just make sure me get the money.
Yeah, I get the money, man. But as I say, just in time. Because
me
work out on that thing, you know. Alright, where you to start then?
Me not do nothing.
Oh, I wonder if your big friend that can make a flex. We make a flex, man. I see we can make a little dollar and thing. Because if we make a flex and make a dollar, push come to show we can help out for Sister America to come back to Jamaica.
Yeah, carry him down.
Because no man, I suffer, she suffer, you know. In a big land of the free America. Eh?
What should I do? I'll come here talk about who want go
Foreign.
Foreign.
Nobody want to go there.
Nobody want to go there, must be mad.
You know what I mean? But why they know? It's like why she has that door every time and she still not come home. You know, it's like add up, sister. Yeah, you may look come on, you know.
You know what? Maybe I'll get kind of frustrated, you know.
Look come on,
Bro, so later, yeah.
I look come we chat, man. We talk. The reason. Benji. Yeah, if I'm not, you come give me a link. Come I want to find out something for you first. I use a man not travel enough, you know, and things. So I want to know if we can have a talk with you. Come link me, man. Road on my yard, man. See? Yeah.
What go on, my general?
Me there. How things?
Yeah, man, I go on normal, you see it.
You in charge of that?
Yeah, man.
I go in charge. You good? How you mean, man? See you are going, bro. Sorry for calling us at the hours at the moment, you know what I mean? But can't afford to work here, bro. So now I have to find next way for drive a truck or so. You understand? But the thing is this, you still have a visa?
Yeah, man.
Eh? When last you travel?
Travel last month, man.
Last month?
Yeah.
Mad. Can you hear? I might have one little thing for you to deal with me, you know. Because I think, one morning I think about some things and I say, but I'm not going to talk now till we actually confirm what I'm going to do. But apart from that, I was going to tell you, you know nobody have visa as well as you?
Eh?
Oh.
That was happen.
You have visa to be boss? Well, I'm lucky. So I go to embassy and go in and sit, brother. Last time I go to embassy and try to get my visa, you know. By the time I reach up at the desk, I'm faint, you know. Say, man, them say, no, let him out. Because something is wrong. But I come like a signs at the time and I'm something. But here I go on. Remember money what thing they went give you one time? That Bringle.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can lend me that money there. Just for get through the month. And then we're gonna start you back when we get paid.
No problem, man.
Alright, so little more then we come link here and we see if we can collect the money. What you say?
Yeah, man.
That
Yeah,
good.
man, that good,
Yo,
man.
alright, to be honest with you now go on the thing. General, I beg you a second, see, because you know what I mean? I don't really remember like that, so I can't really tell you. Brother, I'm gonna tell you something, man. So when you come link me, I can't bug a man from me dog. Brother, I smoke some brain chip sometimes.
No, man, I just see one, man.
Eh? No, but you can't tell nobody. If me say, yo, come link me, me expect you to come link me, bro. You can't come take man. Right now, I don't know who him be, you know. You understand me, I say?
I'm a dog for a long time, man.
I feel your dog enough for me, dog. Me don't know him. What if him back off of me? Eh? He not back off of you because I feel your dog. You know what I mean? So you are going now. Because I see the right there, so I'm a chopper, you know. I just, as every time I'm looking at the house and looking at the house and looking at the house. Come on, know what you expect, brother. So you are going
man.
now.
Nah, for about nothing, you see me?
You're not for about nothing.
No, man, you're not for about
At
nothing.
the time, about everything, brother. Everything I fret about and stress about. I want to know who and who. But
You understand still.
Yo, sorry if you really take up my problem for you, because this man got a phone call and it's just a mess. You understand me? I say it's a mess, so forgive me. But I'm money there. You come on, I come link a few.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Mayo, come here. How can I disrespect him like that? I run the man on me on the yard.
No, man.
I come the man like say man I sound like a boy. You don't know how my David, you know?
No, man, I
Yo,
don't really,
Benjamin.
this is still, you know.
Listen, man, you should tell me if I know if I disrespect him thing and go on and so because I'm not telling no disrespect for a young boy. You see, you look like a criminal, make sure.
No, man,
You better watch him and you better watch yourself. You know,
I
you
know,
find
man.
yourself. Yo, but when you're there, power under the man there, because man look like a criminal. If you're there on the man there,
No,
look like a
man.
criminal. Man, I come run me out of here like say, I this you want.
Yo,
I try
you
to
see,
play
well, I know.
this, you know.
Bro,
That takes so long to forward, man. How long me there wait for you?
hello, listen to me, don't worry me.
When me say don't hurry you. You make things sound weird sometimes. Some simple little things you always make a jar out and a go on that with a negative vibe. You know me impatient already. Eh? How long you know me?
I weed I get to your head.
Which weed? No,
Oh.
weed not get to my head. From morning I can't smoke. So hold on, the day you see me walk out and me a cut. Me not cut nothing, you know, me a cut in my head because me want some weed and me can't get none. Me not no money and people don't like to give people money to buy weed. You don't know why. Weed is life.
Where mommy get it from?
What you mean? Right out of which part you get you from? Where you come from?
Cause
I know where you come out.
something about it. You're just ignorant for
You
no reason.
just say that you have anxiety problem.
Okay then, well
You
keep
understand
your
what I say?
anxiety problem to yourself.
No, in this case right now, I care and I feel away. I feel away. Because you can't, they're foreign and can't send $1 for me. Eh? How you feel they're foreign and you say foreign a bed of roses. And I call you and say to you, say, help me get my green card. You say, brother, don't bother come up a foreign because what? Foreign hard, foreign tough. I say, all right, come back to your yard now. She don't want to come back to your yard. So how that work out?
Well, bro, me understand what they go on, you know. But you have to take it easy, my brother. You stress out yourself and mad out yourself overseas.
You mean, because yo, she always good to me. She always good to me.
I know you alone, me too. But we can't take you up away like we're mad.
You know
We
what
have
I
to
do?
focus.
I go find a way to get her if you come back to Jamaica. You understand? I have to go find a way. Yeah, man. I feel say, I think of the plan, and I just have to execute it. You understand me? I say?
Bro, that would have good enough. Do it, man, bro. Do it.
Do it
That would
naturally.
have be good. Do
You
it,
alone
man.
to see your sister?
Yeah, bro. Do it, man.
Sister,
God would have bless you. Do it, man. Do it, my brother.
Not deal, man.
Make she come.
You can't, they're fine every time I say fine hard and tough, and you know, you can't come and over there to make my family name look bad. Eh? No people are going to say, poor broke foreigner, poor and bossy. That don't make no sense.
My brother, I say last night, me asleep, you know. And it just clicked back to me head on the on the phone with her. It stressed me out. It stressed me right out, my brother.
Look for you know, you can't even buy one phone. A good thing is me thief the phone, I don't have a phone right now. Eh? In the business, who me thief from can't come jerk me right now. I fire them there.
See it, I'll thief it on.
Oh, yeah, me I say. I gotta deal with it. I just want to make you know, say. I gotta make sure so she come back to Jamaica in a safe hands. Nothing I gonna do her.
Yeah,
She got
man.
alright.
Anything
me, I
what you
say?
have to do, just do it. Just
Yeah.
make she come
I
back
make one
out or
package.
so.
Yeah, that me gonna deal with. So just we still not get through the money yet. Why you forget? So, but me think like alright. You must say I work, you know. From them 1,000 and I'm gonna buy one split. About 100 baht, 200 baht.
Boy,
Yes,
at this near live off.
busy.
Where you say $1,000?
8,000 now. Me there wait, man. Go and keep on come back. Are you happy for you?
You have it for me.
If you rate, you know. I say me I do them thing of my sister, you know.
Well, listen.
Alright. That's so much $100 you have? How you do? I say me
One
I say
hard
sweetie.
$500 in there and $100 worth of five days. What wrong with you?
Yeah, but me I say so much sweetie. So much. Come like a sweetie I sell a roadside.
Right
But
now,
anyway, respect me. I'm grateful for it still. I'm not going like me not manners and respect.
I just want sis to come down.
That man, that is my brain right now. I just want to cool out, burn a one spliff. And just ease myself. You know what I mean? You know I'm burn a spliff too.
Right now, talking about that, that bun one craving here right now.
No, I'm not getting a craving. No cigarette smoking. No.
Alright, you weed then. What you say?
Yeah, we deal with it. But you not get none of this money. So if you have money, you can put money to buy. So it's a money book out. So we don't buy for you. You don't tell you what going on. I can't deal with it, you know. Yo, look at more you insist.
Alright, later. Walk safe, yeah?
Alright!
And if you can't say you're sorry when you're on that knees, sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our faults. Cause if you say you're strong, then you have to take a look in your faults. Now make your pride and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better day. Better day. A better day. Better day.
I'm here with a vibes, no, brother. Yo, you're your school over there, no, so under the affluence or influence. Wow, Jesus! That I think, my brother. Yo, your house have the highest thing, then, bro.
So I go on for money, I know.
I
go on for money, I know. Because I'm on a quick rush, you know.
Brother, you have to understand, say, you know. Alright, so, a usual price, sir?
A usual price said way. You say you want more kush, I bring more kush come.
Never want so much.
So you know like when the product there enough, man, no more money that, man.
But
So
me
you
never-
tell me say you don't want so
But
much.
me never want so much, because you are going now.
Just give me money, I'm push, you know. Because I'm kind of on a little rush.
Because me never want so much.
How this, sir? Bad man, how this, sir?
Wow, boy.
A gas sick come here, sir, you know. You feel like say water go in there?
Alright, you are going. Man, I dropping money on the ground, brother. You can't drop money on the ground. If them a time, you know.
That's $300 that I'm going to do with that.
Alright.
That not even can go in my tank.
So me can't owe you, brother. You make it sound me can't owe you a regular business we do, you know.
No, say so, man. You can't owe me. When me a forward them, you know, me not tell us me a owe you and I product them and none of them short, you know. You want them when you say you want type me carry come. Me not carry less. So me not understand how now when me forget my money, you tell me different something. I waste, you make me waste my time come here, you know.
Alright.
So watch you know, like how you not give me for that. That's why me go and hold back the product yeah, until.
No, man, you can't. No, me can't go allow. Alright, here we are. Look how fire come from, brother. Alright, see over there, there.
Yo, now worry yourself, me must catch you. Because you go want more product.
say, girl, then you could tell me say so pinky she maga done.
What of you look if a girl a lose
No,
weight and shit?
no. You know, sister, his sister gonna foreign. His sister used to send them money. I know it have send them money. Now, one a drink, one look like me. I wonder. I ask you something for other day. Other day me I come from work late up in the night around 1 o'clock in time then. I say Pinky I walk close to the bridge. I said myself up there.
To tell you the truth, I would have asked you the same thing.
You tell me yes.
I saw me here do. So me no know. If I saw you go for true.
Me see girl I walk close to the bridge. I know when I know when people know say I hit you hard, but I hit you hard. Me see him walk close and my side and my go on with himself and I want a little piece of sitting up on there so.
I don't know, me have to go find out that they told you
And then feel man him now. They smoking. They drinking. Yeah, I'm still there.
Oh, that the crosses there? Oh.
Yeah, man, top color man.
Listen to
me.
me.
I love him man and I go on like.
Listen, me tired of the scent when they carry. Me don't like it.
Kind of sense.
Like he smoking and he drinking, he think around every day. From morning light till night. Appear around weed and something.
When me get to understand now, true, this is the stop sending money come down here. So now, then it come like then turn papa. One guy sell and one, I don't even know if you call him. Where I call you now? What word me I look for? You know people that will drink and smoke like then just turn themselves on way man. What word
turn workless man?
Whatever you want to call him. Look like he just turn workless because pass him down the road already and I see him nearly turn over.
You know, me tired of them the lifestyle. Me tired of it.
You do love him man. But you as a man broke down, you want to relieve him man. You should have helped the man and give him the career. You know? Give him something.
Stop doing something. No make nobody hear you say that. No do
but
that.
I
never money me there with him for.
No, you're not there with him for money, but what like in a time now. Remember he have money and him give you money, you know. And he reach a point where he broke now. You could have helped him out back.
You know, get what me I say. The man is so addicted to drinking and smoking till he
slap him in the head, he must learn. Why man beat him? He have to learn.
Enough for him
Look
now.
how you big.
Girl, enough of that now. What that me say? Me no want to hear about him right now.
Yeah,
why your problem?
Yeah, catch back feelings though.
Why your problem? You're fast in people business too much.
I don't me ask you cause Pinky now. A Pinky me a talk about. Why she look so other day she did put on like a weight. And for the money top send. Why she look so nice?
Maybe nothing go on for her and they sit there, me no know.
But you one time sister-in-law, you can talk to her and see if she will change her. You look at me like you want to talk me in my mouth. What happened?
Because you just love people business. That's why I look for you, so. If it have your man.
ask you something. If you love people business, you there, so? You would have come here, so?
Listen.
You don't tell me say something to do.
No, I think of money business you call me.
Move over mix up. You know see me all about mix up. That's why you come down. You know me not no money figures. So you know you go on so.
Hello? Listen, alright. I can't really talk right now, but no, we call you back. You see that? Alright, stay right there, so yeah. Me go send her come. Alright. No man, I want my friend.
You trying to find man already?
No.
A man you find?
Everything you chat about man, I want my friend.
So well and there, so I kind of you know me I go chat, that's why you don't want to tell me. You know boy just left as can't you. That if you left.
You can't call up my name so me a new man. How many know where you chat about now? I tell her say I want my friend.
So let me see friend.
Did want me do something for her.
So what you
me send somebody to her. Yes.
To her.
To
I asked me to send her come. Are you
yeah.
You're too lie man. Look how long my friend you don't know that tell lie.
Anyways, me I go match up her one crime and come back.
Yeah, big of yourself. Match up one man and come back. One.
Listen.
One man, come in one man I go check.
sister, me I tell you say the best thing if you do right now. Yeah man, something gonna work out, you know. Come back here, yard, man. Me I tell you, me alright. Yo, this morning me get up and me just have it on my mind, because I say to myself, so me can't understand. Why is it that? Hold on, cause boy, sometime, you don't know. Yesterday one thing go on. I look for something I can't find now. Alright, so here I know. What go on now? Me go organize something for your sister. And you have it.
No.
Yo.
You know some of that catch you down.
No man, I'm a virgin man. Alright, sister, I'm soon call. I'm soon call back. Yo.
What did tell you say yesterday?
Over $700?
Me see friend a kill a friend for close pin.
Yeah, lighter.
So you no ramp with my thing. Me no forward for that right now. And my money me forward for. What me tell you say yesterday I run go better.
Alright, come go for money. Money in yard. See, I'll pick me and watch it.
No man, I saw you do me yesterday, man.
So no, alright. Hold on for the cigarette there.
Me no want no cigarette. Come on, I don't get yard I go for money. Cause you know me no ramp, I buy that expect down.
7 bills, brother.
Come on man, come on my money for my cushion. You know me no ramp, you know.
Yo, start your deal, brother. 7 bills? Nah, man. I know we can't get a lighter. Man, this.
Where you say? Can you just call down my phone, so? Where you want?
What you say me want? How you me want? You make it sound like me you left. Me you can't left. You know what you talk about? We'll never left. So all the hype where you coming with and all them something there, me don't know that gonna work out.
Me done tell us me you left. And that me mean. Where you call me over here for?
I left out to come back. That is what you do. All me say to you is this. Me had a rough day. I'm gonna really want to look a company for somebody who genuine around me. If you know, give me a look at energy, because I like your vibe, I like your energy. Come closer now.
Me no drama with you.
Are you walking the lighter?
Walk with which lighter? You ever see me a smoke? Give me this.
When me say if me ever see you smoke, where will you tell me say me really say? So I know you name here. You what? You know there again, so what? You forget everything what you used to go on here? When me go a dance and you jump and you jiggle up and you drink your rum and you smoke, me no hear you talk nothing about no smoking is a problem.
That different. When you drink and smoke, occasionally that's different. You get up every day, morning, noon and night, you drink, you smoke. Me tired of it, man. Me tired of it.
So, you don't understand. Every time I come in and I try to get a hug from you, you push me off.
Me not like his scent pan you. The smoking and the drinking, me not like his scent.
What mean you like his scent? You need to smoke and drink too. So when you smoke and drink, you enjoy the scent. Because you see, I want to learn that when people no smoke and drink, them have a problem with the scent. Me not have a problem with the scent because me under the influence of that. So me not smell as a problem. I best you tuck in your nose right now and smoke one puff out of you, alright.
So me if you adjust to your lifestyle, why you can't adjust to my lifestyle?
No, I am high, you down. When we smoke, me high.
Where you come over here for? Where you say about your sister?
I don't understand. The sister, one thing I go on with her, she has suffer for it. Yeah, she has suffer. Like nothing I go. Every time I call her, I sit to her and say, give me a $50, give me $100. He must say to me, say, you ain't no money. And I say, you really a big foreigner and suffer? What can go so? Eh?
Things can go so for true. Wow. So what you say? What you say?
Me I say to myself, say, you remember the bike out of your yard? But the uncle not really ride it because he's in their prison. You know if me can borrow it. I'm just for 2 days. Come on, I make a little try.
Borrow it?
Yeah,
for 2 days?
Just for 2 days.
If you go away?
This semester, I want to go up a country. But see if I can check. So my other cousin them, if you ask them what they think about the situation, and that is the reason I'm on by the bike. Nothing wrong. I don't even want to insure your license.
So you want me lend out people bike?
Mm-hmm.
Lend you?
You want your jail so you not use it. You want the bike right down there that you want to do?
I bet a man bike rotten down. Same place where you left your data tan.
No, don't do that. Please, don't do that. As bad as things be, you know, come closer now. Watch ya. Not at all. But I don't understand what I want. Show off. You're hyped today. Your belly full.
Me hype today?
Your belly full.
And that alone I can't remember.
Basically, but me I said to myself, say, me I come link you forget the bike.
I don't know about that. I don't know about
Just
that.
work with me, no, man. Let me go deal with business. I don't care about it's not them. Am I not a trustworthy person?
No. Not when you're under the influence of rum and weed.
I'm a top smoke, I'm gonna stop drinking today. So tomorrow I'll come watch me your man.
No. So when you decide to stop smoke and drink permanently, then you can call me.
So you go to cigarette.
You're not smoking.
So I sell it. It's alright. I'm going out. It's alright. You not force okay, yo.
It's alright, you go and call me next time and I'll show you so I'm not come no way.
What do you mean call next time? Me a come for your bike. Welcome to the
Yo.
Welcome.
Why pray?
Tia send me for the key for the bike.
When you come in our yard, man, you have to call me, man.
I call from we out the sun, me no use no response.
Pray, me, I pray, man.
Pray.
Where's it now?
The key for the bike, because the bike our uncle bike, I'm sure.
Hold on, which one bike you have? This one or this one?
This a bike, this a one.
So who's in the key?
Tia.
Can't just key, so me have to go call him.
No, I first you see me?
No, me see one and a few times.
Yes, so me I say Tia send me for the bike and me and Tia they together, you know. You understand me? I say how long and you know things kinda get sour, but we back again. But she said if you carry and give me a key.
So hold on, you now wait till you would come from jail.
No man, no, that man she said if you go and cause you know, me need to go up a country, go grab some stuff and then come back down.
Oh, so you go grab some stuff for the person that jail?
Not for the person that jail. For me.
For you? You sure?
What do you mean say me sure? So I go left me way all from around so you must say a place I'm living in. London.
This a bike you want? This a bike you have to be a key. I mean I have to call him.
No, you have to call her. No man, brother. You know time you have known so a long time you know you with trustworthy like that. So go for key.
Alright, me a forward. Where is it? This one or this one?
This one. Murder.
Where is it? You sure so I have to call him?
No, I have to call him, man. I don't feel about it. Alright.
Public! Alright, you don't want to answer? Long run, short catch. Car back him on bike. No one, you know. Get up.
Then how could I cause this? Where you there? Where you my brother now?
Your brother thief. Sorry. Listen to me. Other day, imagine your brother ask me if borrow my family bike, you know. And now the bike missing. Your brother thief.
Hey. Stick up in there, so. My brother, thief bike. No, girl, don't do that. Don't do that. You see, me and my brother know about we have money, girl, can stone our dog. Worst how we sister they are foreign. Don't do that in a brighter place again. You see, I look at my juice, I buy back to you now.
My business is not just time, man. Bite me a chat board.
Come out of my yard.
Come out of which yard?
Go out of
You take a big store like me,
You can't call me brother thief. Come out of my yard, girl.
Your
You're
brother
very out of
stockish
order.
and
I
thief
said that
no
hot me,
power.
man. I said you hot me till me want buy. You can't go come brother thief. Girl, don't do that again. Don't do
Listen
that,
what me
man.
I tell you.
Come out of my yard.
24 hours
Come
me
out
a
of my
go
yard,
to bring
me
back
say.
him man bike, you know.
Hey, girl, they say, if you can't touch me, me lick half your face, you know.
Chatting to you.
Make sure take up this out of my yard because I'm not little. Make sure. Public! Right, I sit now, boy. Open the door, man. You look a thief, yo. What do you mean by a thief bike? You're too thief, man. You're too thief. Tia come up on my yard, come and tell me, see a thief bike.
Sister, relax, no man. You have to understand what I want. You understand why you're going to you know me? You know your brother? You know your brother?
We are suffer your thief. Where your thief for?
Fit, get riches, fit, stay up, fit, can't buy this, we can't do this.
Hey.
I don't know thief. Come nice. I know thief. I borrow the bike from her. And the owner of the bike, they are jail, they now come back you know. So me not have to go and like me for oil and buy back and pay for the bike.
You see when they come murder you?
Murder who?
So come in.
Let us for murder.
Me iron no. You're too thief.
Sister, listen what I say. You want my sister to come out. I'm not thief. Me tell you again, I borrow the bike. But me make a money if you go start a one thing because I want to get enough money to do certain things. You understand what I say? Bear with me. I want to start smoke.
You don't see me stress.
Stress me
I want my sister to come down. Me stress out.
That
sufferation dey for me stress.
So that we are talking about. So we are going like in the understand you come bang and you doing this.
But me not thief.
So what you
Me
come
not
here
thief.
and say?
Thief na me DNA.
So
Thief na fear DNA. You too thief.
What she come and say?
So you thief bike.
Me not thief no. Listen now. Listen. Use the ears and the ears too little. Open them and listen. Me no thief no bike. Me borrow the bike, but me just sell it because me want the money. We go do what we are do. We go just start one little thing. Understand, no, sister? Relax, man, and go on. Hey, come here, one little link up with you them.
So I borrow it.
I borrow it. Me
And
I'll give them.
thief.
No, me I give her back.
Oh, alright.
By the time me uncle come out of jail, you will get back your bike.
Alright, sorry Felix, here.
I tell you, ever trust my sister.
Alright, later. Later, bro. Love you.
Alright, love you too. Yeah. Me have the first deposit. See? Yeah, man. 450,000. Me have the first deposit. So me can. What do you mean you can't forward? You have to forward. Yeah, man. Forward right now, man. Me don't pan for me ends, but right now I want to look a shop. It's easy to walking distance, man. For you pass my yard, so I'm good on more about maybe 30 meters. I am there. Yeah, me now want. Me want peach shirt, not pink. Peach shirt. Yeah, peach shirt. Yeah, man. Me down there. Alright? Yeah, manners.
Wagwan.
Yo, so what's shot, man?
The man up a yard and send him to me to collect information and done payment.
Alright. I'm full of reason that. Sister. She did on Florida.
Yeah.
See? They got go to all of the information by its phone in regards to her location and her number. So what we want to do because she know she afraid and she don't want to come back to Jamaica by herself like that. So we have to help her out. You understand? Because
Help
she
her how?
if bring her back to Jamaica, one way how she not go, you know what I mean? Because if she now do it by herself, so we have to help her. You understand?
So what we do?
We want to go over there, maybe put one little something over her nose and knock her out and bring her up on the boat.
How can I think that,
Remember
man?
short man say you have a boat? You have a
Yeah,
boat
we have
connection.
boat.
Yeah. So I don't want to go up on a plane. Just jump on the boat and bring
So
her out.
yeah, tell you if you go over there, go kidnap your sister.
Yeah.
And carry.
Because listen, man, if you understand, you know, every day me call her, she say over there bad and she has suffer and she not make no money.
If she has suffer, she over there, she don't want to come out there. Make she turn over there and
No,
suffer.
man, my sister, man. What you need to understand is she can't afford no ticket. You understand? And then even if you tell her she not buy one ticket, she not gonna take a ticket. So me have to do it that way. So that way you gonna make everything
She
work.
stubborn.
She's stubborn. She's stubborn when she don't come here. What you talk about? No, that's her problem.
No, like stubborn people, you know. But anyways.
And the next thing is, you know, make sure you pass on the message to Sharp Man, you know. Because at the end of the day, I don't really know you. You understand what I say? And based on me not know you, I'm not going to tell you, say, boy, are you in charge of this thing? So make sure the Sharp Man understand what I go on and him do what I do. You know what I talk about, right? Benji, right?
Yeah,
because, yeah. So,
sometimes I can't work with him like that because he's talking too much.
Here I go on now. My, just don't hurt my sister.
Nah, I heard that.
I don't want to know, say, I don't do something to her and disappear.
Okay,
Because I'm going to find, you know, I'm sorry about that thing. If you go on like me a bad man, but me a bad man, I'm going to find, you know, do. Because as this a thing, I sell me, say, yo, well, you have another part there. So, yeah, man, the money there, I go on the money, I go on half of the money. And when we go to half of the money, when I get the next half, when I drop her off at my yard in a full piece, like, you know, nothing missing off her. No malfunction, no nothing.
How she malfunction?
Based on owner, maybe butter. I don't want to do nothing to my sister, sir.
We're not kill her, man.
So yeah, so it's like right now.
We're not kill her.
Me and help her to come back to Jamaica. That is all. When she come back to Jamaica, she go start her back her life and life go good again. Guys, as we say, she has suffered. You understand?
I understand, man.
All right. Me I go for the money. See? And when we go for the money, and give you, make sure Sharp Man get the money. All right. So when you get the money now,
some people start and hold that money.
No, I'm in charge. I'm no business what I want to do, but I just want to know say you drop off money. I call him and confirm that. Alright? Yeah. So you want to know. Now drop it off. See?
More make sure say you know mess up this, you see me? You see them, man. Yo, see how you have a thing, you have a curtain. Don't take you to your pocket, you idiot. You something funny? Ah, cool.
Hi guys.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
You
too.
good?
Yes.
This is my partner, you know.
Hi.
So still, you know, your brother sent me some things for you, you see me? And I want to make sure you get it, you see me?
Okay.
Suitcase.
Okay.
Listen, man.
Go there.
So I just want to make sure you get the thing them.
Yeah, but I could have what my brother said.
Why you Brother, what you do too much I think you put on the thing, brother. See girl now, we come back in kill the girl, charge it.
No, man.
Yo, if
So
she
we-
dead, you know, I'm sorry for you, you know. Cause me not take no blame for you, you know. Come and tell us a little tip. And you like a kid. I like, oh, what makes you now wake up? Why you now wake up?
Maybe probably true me keep it too long.
She not dead. You have VR and chill though.
You know, so she not did no overdose. She overdose.
Get up, man. Get up. Oh, I fire one man get fire. You just say I play dead. Get up, man. Welcome to Jamaica, land of food and water and food and everything.
Where am I?
Mama,
What?
Jamaica, you're there. Awa, you're surprised. Look, you smell the cool breeze. Look, you see all them boats and all them things. Mama, you're Jamaica. Stop all can eat that, no? Yeah, awa. Mama, you know say you suffer. I help you, you know.
What you mean, boy? You help me.
Mama, I know we have to thank your brother. Your brother send me
My
for
brother?
you.
What?
Mama, stop
Where's my
chat.
brother?
Why you
Where's
raise your
my
brother?
brother?
Me no love man. They say I come not like him. Me not ask me for no man.
So why
Your
they-
brother say if you come here, if you collect money. So mama, don't make it harder than it is. You're there so about, where's my brother? How what?
How me reach Jamaica?
Where you see? Boat, though. I see you come to Jamaica.
You
Mama,
must be
listen to me.
crazy. You're mad?
How what can I? Yo,
You
we
feel
can kill
who
her. We
come
can
to
kill her.
Jamaica?
You see, if I name me money, me kill you because you chat too much. Get up. Get up where can you go where you have to go? Come
Who
on, my
is
money.
this?
Get up now. Get up. Mama, don't give me no heart attack and make me kick you down. Alright. Take up your suitcase.
That is how you deal with a lady?
Mama, you know you better do me, you better run me out of here like me and some because. Go on here, man. Go on. We're not much chatting. Go on, man. Sis! Come here.
Don't touch me.
What?
How dare you?
What you mean, how dare me?
How dare you?
Sister.
Stop touching
Mama,
me.
Jamaica, you dey stop talk so.
What the hell?
What the hell, what?
wrong
What
with
the
you?
hell,
Go
what?
to your yard or something.
Go to for yard.
Alright,
Yo, my job done.
no,
Some take your sister
listen,
and
just
give me
relax the
money.
man. Yo, I am in the
Take my,
business.
take your phone.
Give me my phone.
My phone.
You see if I need your sister alone, me like how that.
Easy about that.
Me nah come back on do no more mission.
Everything in that box, yeah.
Me nah do no more mission for you.
Yo, go on, man. Everything good, man. Respect and manners. Thanks. Yo, shot, man. Big up yourself, you know.
Shall if you must see. You say I feel me everything in this.
No, well, go on. You see me give me it good, everything good. Sis,
Alright. Nice meeting you, yeah?
but wait, me not understand. So why you so upset?
What you mean? Why am I so upset?
Me
I
save you.
can't believe you. Save me from what?
What you mean say from what? From poverty. You know, see I suffer fine.
Oh.
Your brother is here for you. What you talking about? You enjoy this?
My job is
boat ride?
very important right now.
What you mean important?
And if you let me lose that job, I will cut you off clean as a brother.
What you mean cut me off
believe me.
clean as a brother? You see you ungrateful, you know?
I'm
A
not
pe-
ungrateful. Don't tell me that
Sister,
I'm
so you
ungrateful.
see I suffer over a fine. Now that you tell me point blank, every time I call if you even $100 you can't afford it. But you can afford $1,500 rent. You understand? Everything go alright.
That
Come
is
in.
not your business.
You-
I'm not coming. What is wrong with you?
I don't. You know, say first box I get in my lifetime. Sister, you and is that everything good? Sleep with us then.
I should come to Jamaica and sleep outside when I don't me bring myself here. That makes sense.
What do you mean if that makes sense? What are you talking about? Where's the bag? Tomorrow I'll make a meet up, your sister and everybody. Come.
No, I have to get the first flight back to where I come from.
Pay feet.
I can pay for it.
So hold on. Sister, I trick you, trick me.
You think I can't pay for my plane fare? I just don't want to come back to Jamaica. Look at the place. Look at this filthy place you want to bring me here.
Yeah, this is alright, you know what? Never call Pinky. I mean, she understand what I'm going. I can't believe you. You see you, a people like you.
I was
mislead
packing a
people.
barrel to send
Pack
here.
which barrel?
I was packing 2 barrels to
Which
send
pack, which
here to
barrel?
you guys.
Pack barrel full for me?
Yes.
For me? You is a liar and wicked.
Sis! Sis! Awa, so you're not happy to see me?
No, I don't. I don't. Because I can't believe you and your brother put up to this foolishness, this nonsense.
What? What you talk about? Which nonsense? Which foolish? Sis, what you talk about?
You don't know? Of course you know. How you don't know some there so then?
Sis, because me get the news say you arrive. He say he must send for you, buy a plane ticket and send for you. So what you talk about? You say you left me in a suspense, yeah, man. Tell me what you talk about now, sis.
What kind of plane ticket?
Jesus, you ask me a question and me I ask you. Lord God. You ask me now and me I ask you, sis. Oh, that now go work. 2 questions can't.
I guess you don't know what your brother have done. Because your brother send man on board for me overseas. I don't have none of my documents them. I don't have my passport, I don't have my ID, I don't have nothing. I don't even have cash on me.
Sis, stop tell lie. Sis. Blood of Jesus again, someone. Stop tell lie. My brother. No, few brother. Send man over there. Why too much problem in that one? Sis, talk to me good. What on there? No, you say the see me a ton idiot. The man says no, you say the over foreign and so far.
Who tell you that I'm suffering? Huh?
Sis, what? What?
I say stuff. That doesn't mean I mean it. You understand? We say things.
So what on there? All this while they are foreign. And me and brother beg your money because we are suffer out here. You know they suffer?
No. You think you not pick me? Or not big people? One mama for to take care of you? You're crazy.
Go on back over. Go back over.
I wish I could.
What you mean by lucky for you? Go back over. Me have to see my brother now. You're very ungrateful. You're ungrateful. You remember what we cock up in a one piece of matches box. You remember them the life there? You remember them the life there? You remember when we eat dumpling? Hey, you see you? Go back over. You're an ungrateful sister. Me can't believe it.
You subscribe yet?
Awa. Sis? Your hair done. Because me not understand why you come down with it, you know. Them two look pop off Mickey Mouse something. They not make it. They not make it at all.
What do you mean by? I didn't plan to come to Jamaica, you know. So anything I come here would make it stay.
Sis. Auntie, you see in this room, you know. You can't just go and relax in a sun until you're ready to sort out your papers. Cause me not understand what kind of style brother having him, you know. But me tell you something. You know what's a brother go?
What do you mean by?
Brother mad. He mad. You see the weed and the cigarette and the rum him a drink up and hit a mad him it a get to his head. If you see how him go on like that, look madman, they watch him now.
But he never used to smoke and drink before I leave Jamaica. I don't understand where he get that from. He pick up smoking and drinking and mad.
Because we are suffer. But you know, some man can't manage sufferation. So it can get to his head. Every time, money. Right now, I borrow some money from you know. I want it back. Anyways, he have one little dirty foot girl there down the road. She named Tia. So she come in my yard other day with her nuts and her liquor. You know me stay already.
I know.
The liquor in her face, but she come in my yard come call my brother thief. Call we brother thief. Nonsense.
What you mean by we brother thief?
But we brother thief bike. And nothing then go so like she a tell out order.
And you said that lady should be his girlfriend or something like that?
I'm going to love her. Rate it. I want she bite off his ears them. Anyways, my sis.
Our brother in love with one girl. And him a gallis.
Something like that. She control his head.
Something wrong here, man. But anyway, I don't see him from morning. Where is he right now?
I don't know where the madman there.
I don't think you should call him our brother mad, you know. I don't think so. But I really need my papers then because I have to go back because my work keep calling me and I have to tell them that I'm in the hospital and I don't understand. This is not my phone.
Sis, everything's so good. Yes. I like your slippers and wear carry for me.
Which slippers?
Them here.
My slippers that I wear come to Jamaica? I can't give you my slippers, you're crazy. Take off my slippers, you're mad?
Sis, such you go overseas. I'll catch you look a foreign accent now. You come and disrespect me like this. Take your slippers them. Take them.
Bad mind, you're bad mind.
Take your slippers them. Cause you come like, you think I'm brother mad yet and me mad.
You don't go like some come to Jamaica by willingly. I come to Jamaica by force. You forgot that?
But sis, what brother do still, you know. You mean if you do it, I will get to your head. You the one try to help you out for your corner because you say you're over there suffer. So you can't blame brother for what you do. Even though that
I'm supposed to blame him because what he's doing is total madness. He's really mad because that is madness what he do.
I make you come down here and talk about madness rubbish. You talk like a Jamaican now. Say. Brother. God, he go overseas go catch you for an accent. Say, me a come.
I am coming.
No, say me a come.
Me a come? And that we don't know dirty Jamaican. Because it look like that you want to tell me long time for me talk patwa. Yes, me still can talk patwa. You think me a idiot? Me still have my Jamaican culture. Me come here and talk to you properly like that. You want me talk like dirty Jamaican. Hello.
I know you're dirty dog for a long time, you know.
Yes, dead dog.
I know you're dirty dog for a long time,
Wait. Sis, how she looks like? Are you here though? You do I hear for her?
Yeah, because she come out with this puff, Mickey Mouse, and the nail look good.
Like seriously?
See, it makes you look like a Jamaican now.
Alright, you are good. See? I don't have to apologize because I just want to miss you. I just said to myself, say, what way can I get you here? Because you keep on see I suffer for him. And I never want you continue to suffer because when mama when say I threw away for real. You understand? Pinky me here say the on bridge I sell things like you need to stop it.
Yeah, what?
You need to stop it.
Hold on, where just say? What you say?
I know what me say, what me hear.
No, what you say? Me, you hear somebody from bridge I sell?
Yes, that them say.
Them who? Just tell me who says so.
Tia them. Them.
Your girl, Tia says so. You hear what I say? Tia them.
No, me say them. Them me say.
You said
Tia.
You said
Tia,
bro.
Hey.
And
we are talking to
wait,
the girl.
Wait, and you come in here and apologizing like what? I'm gonna sorry for you or something? No, I'm not. What you do was totally madness. You should have think before you do something like that. You don't think about it.
Thief people bike right now, make the man fast money.
You thief? Just to get me here in Jamaica the wrong way? I'm in Jamaica legally.
so you never know about this.
I'm here thinking that I'm a deportee when I am not. I didn't do anything wrong.
I'm gonna fix everything still. I'm gonna find a way, but you have to go take back your boat. Go back over.
Mad like a
You're
what?
crazy. I can't do that.
So wait for your papers and ask your people.
I'm waiting for my papers. My uncle is gonna send everything through the post office
Well,
for
do that
me.
then. Until
That's
then.
what I'm doing.
You know what? Me I come out to the presence because you don't understand me, you don't understand what me are doing.
Yes, you say mad. Yes, you say
And
mad.
every time
You
when
see it?
me I try to stuff you, you don't make it seem like say me not do nothing good. Me I do it for the betterment of Uno and us. You say you find a suffer. So if you're there find a suffer, you're there now.
Why when
Yo.
Come back here. Come here.
Mad boy, go. Mad.
What is wrong with him?
Me tell you. And girl mix up my name but me the pan bridge. I said, watch me at Agam.
And who is that? Who is that thing or something?
I can mash
Who
her
is
down.
that
Wait.
thing? I really need to meet that girl because
I can call her down.
I think she's the one who mad my brother or something.
Wait, no sis. I can call her down, yeah. I'll make she come right us and go and let me and her good and give it to her. Me know where you go with more. You see she too out than me.
No. Guess what you're gonna do now? You're gonna call her and tell her that you're gonna tell her that brother sister come from foreign, you know, and I want you to meet her and make she come over here.
I'll tell her you care some things for her.
Yes.
No, I can.
Yeah, man. This a money and good, man. This a money I use and crave some things. You see me? Money good, man. Me I tell me I'll come work for that the man there, you know, cause me can't bother for the drive truck and more than the man have to come and work so I don't make no money. Alright, do it, I go count up money and see what I go on. Alright. So a fake money man give me. Yo. Bad man. What kind of game your brethren play? You see a fake money man give me. What you mean in here? No. Better every money has a fake bad man. What me I do with this? All you trying to make me all see now, but in yard me I got team right now, you know, cause you feel like me a joke in the youth. Man, you come on from my foot. Come pull up this no man.
Who is that?
I'm gonna ask you where your brother there.
What the hell are you doing
Where
here?
your brother there? Listen to me. You see your brother? You see the job what me do for your brother?
What job?
Mama, forget you
didn't do
from
any job
foreign.
for my
Forget you
brother.
from foreign. Now me and my friend come here from
Yeah,
foreign.
you and your friend did that. That's
Listen
how
now,
Tako
he
thing.
pay me and watch her.
How that affect me?
Oh, I want my money. Cause they say me not get my money, somebody are gonna face the consequence.
I don't
Every
understand
action is
you.
a consequence.
I don't
You
understand you because...
Listen, you see this?
Uh-huh.
Tell him say, when he come, tell him some more of my money. You see, me not get my money. You see, you and
No.
your brother.
You see,
Listen,
no.
me a go
You
burn
listen
down
to
this.
me
Me a
now.
burn
No,
down this.
you listen to
How?
me now. I'm gonna call the police and put a restraining order on
Pow.
you, you know, because I don't know
Go put
why you're
restraining
coming
order for
now.
your brother.
Listen.
Right.
I don't even
No,
know
I'm
if
left
my
your
brother do
place.
anything and you guys do it because of you come a friend to me.
Let's not tell your
Remember
brother
that.
say I want my money. You understand? So when I come back, me I go burn down this. Me I burn down this and me I go hurt you.
I bet
and me I
you.
go hurt your brother.
I bet you.
Watch.
Come back here again. You and that short Tako thing. I don't know. What the hell? What's the matter of fuck? Hi, Uncle. How are you? I'm not fine. I really need to know what's going on. Uncle, I really need my documents then because I can't stay in Jamaica not one more day. I can't take the ember. Uncle, you know what I'm going through down here? I can't believe this is the type of life my sister and brother is living. I can't manage it. I need to come back home and I have work, I have bills, I have things to do. Please hurry up, Uncle. Please, me, I beg you. I can't stay here. Okay. Yeah. Oh, great. Okay. Alright. When you leave work, you call me back, okay? Alright. Have a nice evening. Yeah.
Baby, don't worry yourself, man. Me I go and check you. Watch you now. You know me not dirty boy. All if me left the bike a car wash and wash off you and things. So just go and titivate up yourself and put on your nice clothes. You know, so the two of we got a problem. Alright, baby.
Wow, go on.
Bad boy.
Everything good?
I can't see you. What go on with you, man? Nah, see you.
Say not to know how good on, man. I'm piece of thing good on, you know?
Me say you flick out and reach out. What go on?
Well, that's true. Yeah, yeah, good, but yeah, what? You know, say still I want one film me go for over there.
You see, same thing me I tell you.
No, what you know?
You carry a new girl too?
I know that, you know, I don't know new girl now. It's a little roast me go on.
That's just so, man.
And somebody send me for her. So you see when me go for her now and bring her where she go. Me to get a piece of food.
Yeah.
You see me? So when me get a piece of food, now me I say, yeah, boy, rich and now me I go build up, buy one beast and all. You don't know what's going on. Me check your money now. Fake. He never give me in a hand, he never give me in a box, money fake. And I say, oh, money fake. So I go over there, go link him, and I go over there, I see him girl, I go for me, see. If I one thing, all the sister, but anyways, make that stay.
So style man, them style the
The
thing.
man style me.
You left from yard and go
Left
abroad
from
and...
yard with my general, go over there. Pick up this girl that came come here. And now, the man go style me, the man go give me fake money like send me some little boy.
I grow on your thing, man, you see me?
But anyways, I know I'm calling link you for still. You see that same, the tool when we give you like a, I want it back.
Bad boy, no say so, man. You can't do that, man. You don't know, so them the thing there, I work, me deal with them thing there with. Right now, it's a rental, it depend right now, you know.
I know, man, but a page, I go page. If me take them, you all of them one by one, I take them down, because nobody now style me again with this, so I want my money.
Bad boy, as I tell you, say, it depend on rental. So,
So when it coming back?
Might be next 2 days. So, you know, them the time, you can link me back.
Sorry, me circle you back then.
Ah, but hold on. How style you? Come, yeah, tell me something, you not tell me argument straight, you know.
Public. Think of public. Right?
Public?
Yeah, Rasta youth there.
I want to fling on my foot. Yeah, mad somebody.
How?
I see him say, man, try grow me to a youth.
So that means you're more than once, man. Me don't know a youth, you know. Me sharp bridging introduce me to him. I him me go do little work for.
You know, some me and the man I deal with some little mission and I make a man get some kush. And the man try grow on me thing and I want to pay me money out.
Don't know.
But them man, they easy to catch you. They easy to catch, man. So we not even have to even worry about them too. Now shout out when that they think they reach, man. You
Alright, no boy me that.
No boy, man. Ah. Yeah, why pray? You don't know how worried, man. Listen to me I say. And what kind of problem for you, man, putting yourself in?
Which man that?
What you mean, which man? No public, are you, man?
Hello, public animal man. Let's get the man a long time. I don't think we in our community and mix up in here with a junkie man. The man that was smoke with. Yo, don't mix up in here with him, man.
No say so, man. And I mean, sister, the people them sister. Because you know, so you and him attached, man. You and them man they can't live. But anyways, you don't know one youth named Bob. Yeah, man. Me not talk big grabber like a Bob, man. Bob a one mad boy, you know. You don't know, say Bob could trust public and make public grow on him and style him and something. You know, say I want to eat that. Outside, I pay things are going out. You know, public will style me already too. You need to warn him, you know. Warn your man, you know. Because people are going to hurt him. Warn him. Why? Alright, let's say I heard then. Look more.
Public! What the hell? What is wrong with you people? Huh?
I want to hurry come up foreigner ya. Girl, we're public there. Are you a public new girl? We're public there, public we come to. I mean, I don't know a long talking. Can
What
be
you
tired
mean
I
by
know.
if I'm me a public new girl? And who are you?
Me, a public woman. When in there?
So you really feel that I want to ride my brother? Huh? What kind of woman you be?
Sorry.
Who you think you are coming in this place, raising your voice like a cat and dog? Who you think you be? Huh? By the way, public is not here. For me like you, take a look at time and walk out here. Oh, are you the big pig? When my next sister tell me about when you have down the road, you look at chatterbox girl. Yes, you.
I mean, your title?
Then who else is here with me? Other from you?
You come here, the correct one. Where did you foreign? You look like a country you come from. I want a pumpkin, you need big pants now. When public come, you tell public, say, me come to him. Man, I want to take this thing back.
Idiots.
Come sit down now.
Oh, you cook?
Yeah, I must know something if you cook a dinner.
Oh, Lord, but look, I cannot put me on tea alone. I put the big arm, stir the dough.
No, man, not for me and you alone. For me and you alone food.
Bit.
Before you go no further, thanks for your money. You see me here doing my nails.
Babe, me see it, man. Me see you look good too, you know. Jesus
Yeah.
Christ, thing turn up.
Only thing left for me buy you know a handbag and the clothes them off a Shein. Cause
Oh.
remember say you promised me say we are got a hotel no so no bother with the ramping you know.
No, man, that good, man. We work on that, man, because, you know, enough things when I go on and we have to try to clear up some bills and sitting, so, you know. But I could tap about money for 1 second, no?
Me ask you a question. Alright, we're gonna stop talking about the money for a second now. Me ask you one serious question. Other day me and Tia over this to talk and she go on like you want him there. No, you want him still there?
No, man, you're mad, man. Me and she can them, man. A falling angel, that, man. Yo, babe, me tell you something, man. You can't make them energy just strike you, you know.
You better make sure.
Eh?
Because other day me talk and me hear him get one phone call.
You know, phone call?
And it sound like how you call him.
No, man, no, I never me call him.
You sure?
Me sure. So, other people can't call him. Or me can't make it seem like say just that alone in
No,
situation.
because the way how she
Tell
dey
them, man.
talk and then when me a walk on the road, people are laugh and I say,
Babe.
and that girl there take Tia, man, and all this and that.
Who know? People know? People know about, nobody know about me and you.
They don't know about me and you, but suppose me have one friend and know and the friend go chat.
That's true. So your friend will chat the business?
No, you don't understand. People them a laugh and I say, Choti and all of him, man. I tell him, man, they right through no matter
Oh, so you feel
what.
that way
So
about
me
that?
feel that way about you when time me hear them attack on road about that. I mean, no, say, you tell me say you're not left.
Yeah, man, me and she left, man, because she not really, function right for them time. Yeah, me tell her, so we cut and thing. See, the things start look up for me and now and, have some money, because, me work a little deal and the money I come up and things. See, I tell you, I promise you, you have to get through the city. Here get done, your nail get done. Me I get the bag for you. Me I'm gonna sort out the the hotel thing. Cause which hotel you want go? What's the next thing? Royalton. Big up themselves. Alright, cool. Yeah. Up the one. Alright. You know what? Share the food for me, cause
Alright, sure.
Royalton food money can not enough still. Alright, me I go make myself comfortable because I don't have my sister me yard me I come from and thing, The thing me go spend the night, yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, spend the night.
Yeah, baby, me have to spend the night, yeah, because down there kind of hot, them, things are going on and I don't want to find out certain way.
So I don't know what to do with.
No, man, me go on easy, man. Tomorrow a different day, because you know, like when people know me living now. You understand? Nobody knows somebody there. That's my life. You understand? Wow, the food look nice to come to me. Thank you, baby.
Hello. Hello. Good body over here, so you know, slim and thick. Next customer, alright. Later. Alright, never mind. Slim and thick over here, so. Slim and thick. Good body there, good body. Why road dead door? Look like nothing not go on now. I'll go up on my sister and go check her here, man.
Sis. Sis.
Oh, it's you.
What do you mean it's you? We don't understand that. What kind of it's you situation?
Hi.
You still vexed with me?
No, that's okay. If me still vex with you, that mean I'm mad or I'm crazy or something. So that's okay.
You have a lighter, sis?
We're gonna smoke.
Right there, so what do you mean which one am I going to smoke that? How much time I smoke that house I want? Eh?
Not today.
Let me turn that today.
What you want? Where you come here for today?
I tell you already, I feel a way. Mash up your work and all these things. So I don't really want you stress yourself. I want to carry in a town, carry go to the beach, you can go swim, you can go enjoy a little life and thing. You want to do that?
No, I'm good.
What means you're good? You can't do your whole day just stress and wait for papers to come. Hmm?
Okay, one day.
Huh?
One day.
One day for what?
One day. I will let you take me to the beach or
So
something.
you see no lighter?
You still depend that man? What's wrong with you? You have to always have someone?
You don't understand, sir. This is kind of easy pain.
Well, I don't have any lighter. What kind of pain do you have?
You vex with me because me I try to help you. You tell me say they're fine and suffer. Now that tell me say they're fine and suffer and see there now, you're alright.
Listen to me.
You know if a bills are paid, 1,500 bills and you sitting there.
Listen to me. You think that I was suffering. So I always say yes, I'm suffering. But me never did that suffer no. Or I wouldn't know. I won't know I said me I say it was suffering thing kinda mix up or something. But you gone too far. Too far you go with it, man.
So what you tell me so now? You know how forgive me?
I forgive you. You're my brother. That not gonna make no sense. Me all up yourself. By the way, where were you yesterday? You leave me here by myself. And now you come and talk about you want to take me out and stuff. Whole day, me there here by myself. Don't eat, don't drink, not want to. I'm gonna see you. By the way, a man come here yesterday now. Tell me that I give them fake money and the person fling the money in my face.
Fling money in your face, sister? Who
The
that?
man fling so one look a shot. The same guy that kidnapped me. The black
You know,
one.
top say kidnapping, the kidnapping help you.
Kidnap. That one. When we did that when did I talk too much? Not the stammer one, the next one.
So the next one, come here and fling money in your face.
Fling the money in my face and say what you gonna do to you or
What?
something like
To
that.
me?
Yeah, because you're frauding me or something like that.
Oh, if him not Alright, sis. You see, me I try help you, me get myself in a situation. Yeah, me shouldn't give me fraud money, yes. But me just have to do it because me not have the money yet.
You're so stupid. You're my bigger brother, but you're stupid. You know you can put yourself in danger.
Yeah, but
By the way, you're in danger already because the boy a plan to come for you.
to me, not him say,
Yeah.
fling money on my sister's face and I plan to, alright. Sis, you what me gonna do?
I don't want you to do anything. I just want you to relax.
How am I feel relax?
Listen to me. Listen to me. I just want you to relax, but me enjoy myself in Jamaica here before I go over back.
You don't like that?
You ask me about light. If you ask me about light, and one more time, I steal my phone over there for you.
Alright. Me understand everything what's going on. So, sis, you eat from there?
No, I'm hungry.
Alright, so which part sitting there? I was thinking there.
She gone do some hustling on the road.
Hustling?
Yeah.
That she tell you? She tell you say hustle?
Yeah, she
So she
gone.
really have... Jeez, I'm pretty much what could have caused this. Alright, it's alright. You don't worry about that part. Leave you alone. Alright, sis. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to touch you, yeah? I'm going to get you some food. I'm going to make them either drop some food off or something. I'm going to try to call that girl. Like, I'm understand way in your house in a broad day.
Tonight to no brother and no sleep.
I'm not sure about that, you know, but...
What do you mean by that?
I'm not sure about that.
Why?
I'm making sure I'm going.
Why you don't sure about
I'm
that?
going to buy one more shirt so you can have, you know, one exchange of clothes. Alright with that?
Okay.
But I don't have China money to buy your clothes. I don't even buy this. Oh. Yeah, you wear China clothes. I'll be a high life clothes and wear a foreigner show. Welcome to Jamaica. Later.
So why you give me attitude? Why come to
I'm
Jamaica?
not give attitude, I tell you as it is. Alright, sis, I'm going to go on the radar now, yeah? Come, I have to go sort out and do a little thing.
Food, bro.
Eh?
Buy food.
Yeah, I'm sending food for you. You sure I'm a lighter?
Come on, sir. You come like something wrong with me. Go on. Take time and go on, please.
So make you have things there for me.
Every time you ask me for lighter, what you want lighter for do?
I mean,
go dash away something out there. That's why your head a go.
You
Because every time you're there some more. Go on by your business. Crazy. He's crazy, man.
Wagon. Come here. I want to make you... Come here, man.
What?
I want to make you dress and trash and look. So where you go?
Me a go up the road, go make somebody. Somebody so
Come here now. I have a dress, sir.
Girl.
In a cut out sitting.
Tia!
What?
Me say me busy, me late.
No. Hello, you know if you hurry when you're going away, you know if you hurry. You don't know what I mean to this. Good old God tell me come here, so. Can't me not take the route here, you know?
Tia. Me know see a long time you don't see me and so off. But it urgent. Me
Listen
have to
what
go
me
and
say now. Let me see no girl, me and your friend. Look how long you not sit down and talk to me, girl.
Know, but me kinda busy. Me tell you, me have stuff I deal with now.
Normally,
me I try build myself now. When time me build, me come back. So late.
Listen what me I say now. Normally you just sit down and talk with me and tell me people business and then sit down. Let me see man.
Well, no. My business time. Me I mind my business.
So talk to me about your business now. I go on. How life a treat you?
Life a achieve perfect. Life is fine.
Me
Life is
see
great.
it all
Yeah,
Brazilian
yeah.
here and
Yes,
something.
alright. Yeah.
So, alright, so you hear about Mass John beat up a woman?
That's a long time since.
Anyways, me have something to tell you. Well, long time I want to tell you. You know, some guy, you know the man who did ask about public. Me guy yard the other day. I don't know who me see. No America in sister, which me think I did in woman. Me, you want to say me attack the girl?
You frighten me still, you know. You frighten me.
What you mean, me frighten you?
Because now your man.
You know,
Me
look,
your
so
friend,
we
so if a
left.
girl take your man, you know me I gotta defend
No
that.
man, we kind of left. We complicated. But listen what me I say now.
Complicated.
But listen what me I say. Alia, me stress out. When me say me stress out, me mean say me go at the yard fi attack the man boy the bike when thief, you know. And all if you know say me buck up woman in a house. Me say me nearly catch heart attack and me think me get over the man. Me not get over him, you know.
Well, you need to get over him because somebody else have him.
Who else?
So you feel say man I go sit now wait for you to come back?
He
No,
love me now,
the man move
on.
on. So leave the man alone and go your ways.
He
Not
don't
your
move
man
on.
anymore.
So you become films, anyways, girl, in a move on, me I tell her, if you didn't move on, would I hear about it? I sit down with I hear about.
Well, if you move on, we know.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah.
Alright, if you know, you tell me, can you have my number, you can link me and tell me.
Yeah, but as me say, me make a fast move now, so look more.
Alright.
Yeah. Move on.
Aye, things just change so. Sure.
Yes.
Come on, say hot up.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, you ready?
No, you are gone. Can't go make you know.
Be your mother.
You have to understand me.
You promise me, no?
Promise about the frame of mind change. See? Because I guess I know. Somebody go on me yard and go dash money in my sister face.
No, that's enough for your business. That's for your sister business.
Yeah, but
your sister must know what she do if man can dash money in her face. You promise me so we are go today. You promise.
Yeah, I promise you, but
you make me have put on all these hot clothes. People see me and wonder where me I go.
people say.
Your
People
ex.
say. My ex with
Tia.
Tia see you?
I ask me
And you
I go.
tell
Me tell her say none of your business that. What if me tell her? What
no
happened?
man, just want to know say, she not style you, she not something bad to you.
No, she not say nothing bad to me.
Alright, so you are going. Me gonna make it up to you. Tomorrow.
I don't want to hear that.
Alright, you are. Just go home. Later on night. See, me we come back for you. Cause I know my plan say we go early already. Early settings, we won't talk about that. You understand? I'm done test my buy back for you already. Not true?
Yeah, my phone no if come down about this you know. You really do me this?
No man, you have to
Seriously?
just understand what I'm going. I just want a situation right now where we have to try to fix sit properly. You understand me? I say, babe, don't vex me, yeah? But you look nice, I love how you look, I love you. Hey, pink just look good for you. Eh? Honey, don't vex me, yeah?
Later.
You know vex me, right?
Call me.
I'm call you, yeah? Love you.
Love you.
Can't believe something that really can come to Jamaica. Come mash up my life, mash up my work, mash up everything for me. Just because I'm selfish with it. Why don't I feel like hello?
Hi, how are you?
Boss, me sending me sick leave, you know. Me sending me sick leave.
Don't worry. Don't worry about that. It's all good. It's all good. Everything is okay.
You sure?
Yes, everything is all taken care of. I was just calling you because I need you to do me a favor.
What kind of flavor, boss?
Like right now, I have a property in Jamaica, and I know you're Jamaican, so I wanted you to go down there for me for a couple weeks to take care of that property.
I can do this for you, boss. I don't know why I'm talking like this. It's because I'm linking up with my Jamaican family, you know.
That is totally fine. That's understandable.
Okay.
You probably have to teach me some of that language, eh?
In due time, boss. In due time.
But yeah, I have the property, and I need to be down there for like 3 weeks. I can book the ticket right now. Are you okay going like right now?
Yes, boss. I can go right now. But guess what you're gonna do for me now? I want you to send me the money in my account. Reason being, I have a friend who can book the ticket for me more cheaper. So just send me the money in my account, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good.
Yes.
Thank you. So I'll get that over to you, and that's good. Thank you.
So I will tell you when I'm in Jamaica, okay, boss?
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Alrighty.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Alright, boss.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, sis.
Mom, sis, I look so happy.
Girl, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm really, really happy at the moment right now. So, where are you coming from?
Yeah, I know. I saw the friend people now. Always know. They must have wonder why I come in so late, but sometimes I don't want to look aside or sleep on the road. But it don't work out.
You smell a little sweaty though. I think you need to bathe.
How you try? How you do? I tell me some want beard. I'm stink.
No, I don't mean it like that. I don't mean it like that. You just probably need to wash off or something. Probably you're on the road all day, so you kind of said,
Listen to me. I need to go and cover foreign. Wanna be right around the clock. At Jamaica this. You understand? So we come in, we take a little time, and we cool off, and thing we not jump, go bed. So we're not like when overseas. So I tell you what, tell me some stink. You see?
Alright, calm down. I have something to tell you. My boss just called me, and she want to send me to Jamaica for 3 weeks, which I'm in Jamaica already. So she gonna pay for my plane ticket, which I told her to send the money in my account. So when she send me the money, we can have that in Jamaica for go and do what I want to do. But she want me to look for some place for her.
What? Sis, we are get money?
What do you mean by we? Who is we? Me. I work hard for that money. What you mean by we? You crazy?
Oi, now what you do? Come with chat.
Who you gonna tell that, sis?
Girl, at Jamaica with it. We chat it on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. You wanna continue? Man, what you do?
Okay. When the money come, I will give you a thing. Okay?
Which thing? You think me thirsty? We are talking about thing.
What is wrong with you, girl? I said I will give you a thing. I mean $20.
Everybody say, hey, don't play with me in this case. You want someone go on the road. And no, me no work out for me. My way I do.
So how does it affect me?
Remember how that supposed to say, hey, so I'm ready to take your phone and lick your ear, you know. Tell us something. Make sure so when I get the money, I get a good amount of it.
Pinky, remember, not because I'm at foreign, that no means say all of my dirty is gone. You understand? Me still mad. So now come threaten me about no lick.
Sis.
Come me thump in your yard, give you uppercut. Don't bright.
Sis.
And you want to come argue with me over with my own money? The girl look like he mad.
No, anything I feel, I feel me and brother. Oh, cause we done so, we are all out like a real G. So you can't come tell me, boy, come look for me and give me no 20 like you're mad. Must want to mash up your ice place. You must which $20.
Take it or leave it.
Take it
If
or
you
leave
don't
it.
want it,
Stop test me. Stop test me. Can we just chat right now? Stop test me.
Pinky, you're not gonna do that to your sister.
You don't know me. You really go overseas. How long? Right. About $20.
And I think you need to go on bed. You're very sweaty. You're smelling a little funky way or something.
Funky.
You're funky. As a young girl. Young lady is not supposed to smell like that.
Mine are in between your smell and if I come out and come funky.
No one tell a kiss from you.
That place is a dark, man. Sir! Yo, Chana, tomorrow them small juice, you know.
Yeah, I believe it, but me I look for you, man, now. But right now, I'm fill up you, I'm frustrated.
Sir!
Yo, right now, I'm frustrated. Me I look for you, man, and I tell you, I never hold the boy there, man. Yo, actually, not to move. From man, in
Keep it change.
Me I look for you, man, for my money, brother. Yo, don't move. You know how long me I look for you. Me I walk up all over the place and I look for you. What you did there?
Yo, that's easy, man. Easy.
Easy?
What problem?
I shot me to shot in your phone.
Yo, easy, man.
Watch out now. Listen now. You go for your sister for can come down here for a fight and you can't give man fake money. You think what man look like fake money and then I run up and run the whole place.
Yo, easy, that's easy.
Yo.
I hear myself. It's just a misunderstanding, brother.
Misunderstanding?
Yes, I rang box then take up. Them have one box where you have some monopoly.
You want me mistakenly shot in?
No. You have to do that. Now, I beg you, please.
Yo.
It's like, listen to me, I say, man.
Me I hear.
The brother was me sell the bike, see, and one next thing, him have one game, some game money, some monopoly money. There's a copy mark for the money. Right away, the sickness is a fake money.
Me look for
no, hear me, I say, man, stop panicking for me, don't panic for me.
Right.
So me I say to you is that listen. The man said the link him back and me get back him money so me can get the money and carry back on give.
When?
Eh?
When?
Next 2 weeks. And yo, easy, man.
Don't play me no,
next 2 weeks, me I say him.
Yeah, what? Me not get no next 2 weeks. You have 24 hours to get 24? My money from not. You see, tomorrow them time, yeah. You see, when me circle, I'm call you. I'm gonna get my money. You see, it's just a panic on me. Watch out. You see, if you don't get my money to me by them time tomorrow when I call you, you're supposed to say, alright, you go meet me and give me money. You see, if you don't give me money, I gotta decide what bullet.
Alright, tomorrow. Yo, me call you and get the money tomorrow. And just meet me at the spot. Simple as that. No hard feelings.
Left us.
No man, you go on.
In a shop me and go.
No man, you go on. Alright.
Hey boy, run. Yeah, shopkeeper. Let me get a
Aliyah, hey, I don't understand what kind of friend me I be, you know? What kind of friendship this Aliyah? What I mean by that? Aliyah, imagine, from when me have to link up, me can't see you come like you come off a radar. What happened with you? Me have so much things to tell you, so much, you understand what I say? We have so much to catch up on, and it's like, me have to beg you. Beg me have to beg you, Aliyah. Tell me now. Aliyah, just make me see up. Hold on, me I get one call. Here, give me a minute. Hello? Pinky? What happened now? So make a sound, sir. Bust up over face. Girl, I must joke this. I prank this, huh? You bust up my face any day you see me. Pinky, don't come to me with that foolishness at night, yeah. You hear me I tell you? You see that night, yeah? Me not even depend one good mood. No good mood, me not depend. So no come call me phone, but you go bust up face. But bust up face. You think me frightened for you? I gonna pop your little maga. Hey, let me tell you this. Me not afraid of you. So any day, name day, you feel like you want to try me. Just step to me. And me I tell you say, me ready for you. Eh. My girl, come on from my phone, cause you waste of time. You hear say me a call up your name about Palm Bridge? Girl, me say any day you're ready, just step to me. Me ready for you. Eh, Alia. Oh, you're there on the phone still. Girl, just let me see you, please. Cause me have so much things I want to talk to you about. You hear me, I tell her? Please. Alright, tomorrow. It's a damn boy this so long, man. Awa. Why you run so like an idiot?
No, no idiot. Man pull gun for me.
What? I might slap you. That part lots of
No, I swear. Why me no go there now because this now? This man a pull gun for me. And he tell me say, me have 24 hours to give him money.
What?
Yeah, that's what tell me. And I say, yeah, man give him some fake money for true. But the thing is, me don't know say, I tell you star.
So what you do? What you gonna do?
No, I must say I saw me get sister to come out. But I mean one thing by now when I get back the real money and make back the money I can give him. Give me you're gonna pull up a cigarette now?
No.
Who's that call me now? Yeah, hello. I'm people, man. I hear me say, sis, take care of sister. Me not think I stay around. But don't tell her I see this man. Me not think him go for she and get because me say boy fling money in her face. You want to tell her?
Me not hear about that, you know. Cause she not tell me them things because she know me a mad somebody.
Why I don't know me go there, but here, me go try see me can. I have to go run one Ponzi scheme for him. Because me not have the money to give him.
Cause you see it? All when me say me want stop smoke, me get what? You see what's out today? Me go do my business and me not get through. Me tell you something, you know. You see right now me corrupt me and no man now share no cigarette.
Brother, me and brother and sister,
me no
what you talk about?
business. I don't care, you not get none. Me corrupt right now. I know what so you come and tell me about how man pull gun pan you. You see it? Me see what I do, you know. Me see what I do now. I said me feel mad, but it not go work. It's not going to work.
Sis, right now, I'm mad you talk about. I dead, man pull the gun and I'm going like he want to shoot me in my foot.
So look at now.
Eh?
Like all the man pull the gun pan you.
Mm.
What go happen to me and sister?
And that me no know that me say me.
No come no come for me and sister. And what is I where you go do a thief? I go thief.
Yeah, me go thief.
Hey. What make us a thief? What make us a thief?
This is not, yo, if you lick me now, I'm going to do no better because right now we have to try and fix this up carry on.
You know what? May I go and left you?
No, sister, come in now, sister.
Let me tell you something.
Alright, just listen to me first for a second. You have nobody you can borrow money from. Me not pay you back.
How much money?
300,000. You know, nobody, alright, even if you know, none of your friend, like a man friend, you know, you can just, you know, have money or maybe have one chest at the yard or something.
Alright, listen. I have 150,000 in my account. Where me there put on how long?
You make me there dead for hungry?
150,000 because guess what? I put it down, say, me I do that thing, and me never want to touch the money there, but now, me have to go touch the money.
Alright,
so me have to go borrow 150,000 to put on that day.
Alright, you ready though? Cause we can't, what, tomorrow man saying, man, see. Tomorrow Monday, you know, it's a bank always full for Monday. So, no, sister. You have to see it, my sister. You know, me have a back like that already.
Here what go on now, me
One
want
puff,
say to
one
you.
puff out
Me
of
say
it.
no. And that I turn yourself in a one piece of junkie and smoking in a good for you. Let me tell you something. You know say
20, 40.
a while ago, me call the girl Tia, cause I want bossy ass.
So, have you met Tia?
Oh, you mean? I want bust up in your face.
See what?
If girl left on road that spread me name say, me dey on bridge a sell.
So,
Me no like them, there's something me no like. Girl call up my name, okay? See, if me a
hold
do my
on.
business, me fi do it in a peace. No girl not supposed to spread my business out a road.
But you do it for true. The truth that can hurt them.
Shut up your mouth.
The
Let me tell you
truth hurts
something.
at that. Me tell them, man.
Let me tell you
No, that's
something.
no,
You
Tia,
see,
no,
I'm
man.
a CM client now. I fi go give you 150,000 for help you. So let me tell you something. You no start watch my business. You see, Tia?
I me talk to her.
Not talk to her. I can bossy rat.
No.
Alright.
Me talk to her.
When me a bossy rat, you not go there. So you can't tell me that.
No bother with it. Sister, at jail house that. You only told going down at jail? You over there, Sammy, by yourself? Hello, how you doing? Everything alright,
I'm alone out there jail. Them all know what to do with you. If me not save you.
Alright.
By
so,
tonight and tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Alright, so sister, what time you feel you get up tomorrow? Because you not want to sleep. You don't go bridge tonight.
May I get up 6 in the morning because this is a big problem. I have to go solve for you.
Yes, sister. Alright, so tomorrow morning, but me not gonna stay here too long. Come here too long right now.
Listen to me. Don't sleep at the yard tonight.
Me not sleep there. You mad?
And me and Marika not sleeping there. So do not sleep at the yard tonight.
So where you go?
Where you go?
Me no know. I'm asking.
Me have somewhere can go.
Alright, gonna go along then, no?
But me not carry me there because you know man and man have links. And me can there so you wanna feel my man friend them and them make a call and say, you know say your boy sister there. So no worry about me and Marika. Me have that lock. You just find yourself somewhere to go.
Alright, sister. Later, yeah?
So later.
Alright, look, come on.
It's up,
Alright then, when you make it this far, you know what I mean? When you're there at the end of the movie, do the right thing, you know what I mean? Tell people, say, public report, just post one movie called Instant Deportee Episode 2. So do the thing and send it out to the world, you know what I mean? And thanks again. If you don't want to support the movement, you know what I mean? You don't know what to do, I'm going to leave this thing in the description, or even right here, so by, you know, because the road, you know, easy, you know what I mean? And we have to do this and that. And you know it's cost and rated, but guess what? If you can, you can. If you can't, you can't. Guess what? You can't please everybody, but at least one smarty happy smarty. Yeah, a good word. Out.